Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is going to be about using a red lipstick. So I'm going to tell you how can you use it as a corrector, as a blush, as an eyeshadow and as a lip tint. So let's get started. I'm going to apply this red lipstick under my eyes, near around my chin area and on the sides of my nose wherever I have dark spots. And I'm going to blend it using my fingers. Now I'm going to apply this concealer wherever I've applied the red lipstick and I'm going to blend it using the beauty blender. After blending the concealer, I'm going to use foundation. This foundation is from NARS. It's in the shade medium dark 2 and I'm going to put it all over my face and blend it using the beauty blender. Now I'm going to set my makeup using this Laura Mercier loose setting powder. Now I'm going to take the red lipstick on my hand and using the beauty blender, I'm just going to take some on it and I'm going to put it on my cheeks using it as a blush and also on my nose so that it looks a bit natural and a little bit on my chin to give that natural finish. Now I'm going to use the same red lipstick which is on my hand as an eyeshadow. I'm just going to put it all over my lids on both the eyes. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Pro palette and I'm going to use the shade Whimsy from it and I'm going to put it all over my crease and just blend the red lipstick and this color together. Then I'm going to take the shade Minx from it and I'm going to put it on my eyelids, a little bit of shimmer so that it gives that rose gold effect on both the eyes. Now I'm going to take the Sephora pencil in the shade Brown 08 and I'm just going to create a small little wink on the eyes. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara so that my eyes look bigger. Now I'm going to use this highlighter from Becca. It is in the shade Champagne Pop. I'm going to use it on my cheeks, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin and on my forehead. I'm going to take Vaseline and I'm going to put it all over my lips and I'm going to take the same red lipstick and pat it on my lips. Now I'm going to take this highlighter from MAC and I'm just going to put it on my lips just to give it a rose gold effect. And the last step is to set the makeup using the setting spray, and this one is from Urban Decay. It's called All Nighter. And we're all set. So guys, here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all soon. Bye bye.